So welcome, guys. I have wanted to hit this part of this stream for years, ever since I moved here, and I recently had the opportunity to find a place to put in and explore this part of the stream. So come along with me and let's go fishing, try to catch some smallmouth, whatever, on this stream. Super fun. Big. It's got to be a drum. That's got to be a drum. It's fighting like a drum. Oh, I need to loosen my drag.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Secular Buddhism
I don't know what
podcast.
this is.
This is episode number 147. I am your
Oh
host,
my gosh.
Rochetta. And today I'm going to talk about the unexpected joy that sometimes comes from difficult events.
Is that a hybrid?
As always, keep in mind, you don't need to use what you learned from Buddhism.
Oh my gosh.
Use what you learned to be better whatever you already are. If you're interested in learning more about Buddhism, check out my book, No Nonsense Buddhism for Beginners.
Well, that is not what I expected, man. I did not expect to catch that. Like, I thought it was a drum. That is a hybrid. Let's put that one back. Come on. Go on. There you go. Just freaking demolished me there. I don't know. I'm using this too, but I might be better off dragging a crankbait through here. Last night we let the liquor talk. Dude, look at that little sauger. Multi-species action, baby! If you've never had one of these things are delicious. They are so good to eat. But this is a small one. Since we got my fish grips and these suckers got them teeths, that's wild, man. Last night we let the liquor talk. Little itty bitty bass. Oh, there's a bunch of little baby gar in here. A bunch of them. Look at all these gar. That gar right there. Dinosaurs, man. You know, I'm very, very thankful to have a bass boat and all of that. But man, there is just something different about being down in a kayak, paddling, just listening to the sound of the water. It's just great. So I came out here. I have lived here, let's see, like 12 years now. And I have always wanted to fish this section of this stream. And I finally had the ability to do it. I am having to do a paddle up and float back. But this is a part of the stream that really doesn't get touched. So already caught a couple different fish, and we're gonna I'm working on paddling up here right now, and hopefully get up here. There was a nice smallmouth right there. Get up here to maybe the next riffle, and we're gonna see if we can't catch some smallmouth. All right, got a hooked one up here, just little bitty smallmouth on the old peanut butter and jelly Ned rig. Got him right through the jaw. Yeah, little guy. I hadn't even restarted my camera. I made a cast and caught another one. That's a decent little one. Well, for creek fish. How nice it is. I don't have. There we go. That's a little bit better fish. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's a decent one. That's what I'm talking about. These small stream ecosystems are really important. Keep this fish, let that fish get back in there. Go on back up in there. These stream smallmouth are so much fun. He just kind of pecked at it. It's a good little hole. We've got this current coming through here. You've got another valley over here that comes out, and so that water comes in, creates a good current seam right there. It's a little bit deeper. That's a good little pocket for some fish. Oh! Yeah! Oh, buddy! Ow! Woo! Let's let that one back go. Ran into my feet. He's just swimming with it. Choke that freaking little tube, man. Got another one here. I'll hold it really close. Look at that giant bass. No, there's a bunch of these little small ones in here, but hey, that's a good sign that they got a healthy younger population of fish. Beautiful coloring on these fish. Fat little belly. That last one that I caught actually had some a crawdad in its mouth, and I'll flash up that picture. It's kind of cool. Let's let it go. You grow up to be big and strong. Big and strong. Well, guys, that closes it out. Overall, a great day of exploration. I will say, if you notice behind me, I actually lost a rod down here. I don't know if, you know, if it just fell out whenever I was going through something, or if I hit a tree or what, but I'm missing a rod. And I realized it whenever I started coming back, because I paddled up and then came back, but I realized it once I started coming back. And you know what, I'll probably make this trip again and look for that rod and reel, but you know what, that's part of it, guys. Sometimes that stuff happens and you can't let that ruin your day. So I kept fishing and had a good time, caught a couple more fish. Multi-species day, tons of fun. Very thankful that I got out here today. It's been gorgeous, sunny. Next time I come out here, I need a pack of lunch, and instead of just beef jerky, and probably more water, because this Nalgene bottle wasn't enough. So yeah, a couple of hours out here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a couple nice good fish catches there. And as always, guys, don't forget to get outside, do something awesome, and take somebody with you if you get a chance. And I'll see you in the next one.